I woke up, fell out of bed, and dragged a comb across my head.
So it's 7:15. I'm sat in the car. I'd usually set off far earlier than this to get to Manchester, but I've looked on Google and there's no traffic. So let's hope there's no traffic. I don't think I've ever planned for a site inspection as much as this. And I've double checked. I've got face coverings, hand sanitizer, nitrile gloves, got the risk assessment with me, got everything else with me, got an extra camera because I can't use my phone with the nitrile gloves on, so I've got a proper camera so I can take pictures as part of the inspection. So yeah, looking forward to it. Really excited to get back to work, and I'll let you know how I go on a little bit later on. So, got to put the phone down now. I've got to drive. If only driving to Manchester in the morning was usually this easy. The M62 was really quiet, so I've got here an hour early. Better be an hour early than a minute late. So I'm holed up in the car. Yeah, really easy to get around. Not a soul around. Kind of sad, to be honest, and you know, I do miss seeing people around and the rush hour, but here we are in 2020. So here I am in the middle of Spinningfields and there's absolutely nobody about. It's 10 to 9 on a Friday and there's nobody about. The Metro bus went past and it was empty. It's really sad to see, it really is. But that's why we must get through this and we must all get our cities working again. So the inspection went really well. The client was superb. The local M&E guy was a superstar and made the inspection really easy. In terms of social distancing, it was quite easy to social distance, to be honest, in an empty building. So anybody who's thinking of doing an inspection of a commercial building, you know, don't do it with any trepidation. I would recommend you don't have any fear or anxiety, you go and do it. So still in Manchester city centre, about to drive back. Great to see construction work taking place in the background. So everybody's keeping busy. Let's get the economy going again and let's safely all get back to work. So I'm heading back home now. One little footnote: as soon as I get home, I'm going to get undressed in the hallway and the clothes are going straight in the wash, and I'm going straight in the shower, just so, you know, I don't contaminate my family, which I very much doubt I will do, but you know, we've still got to keep safe and we've still got to keep alert. So I hope you enjoyed my little travel log today, and I hope anybody who's anxious about returning to work, please, you know, there are the controls in place and everybody's acting really sensibly. So thanks for watching and goodbye.